Design thinking. The lean startup methodology came out of business and engineering thinking about how to create a standardized process for developing startups that limits risk and ups the odds of success. Design thinking is a methodology evolved out of the design field. It is more creative and aesthetic in its approach and concept, and entrepreneurs have adopted it. Like lean startup, design thinking is also an iterative process that focuses on understanding the needs of potential customers, testing ideas, and searching for product-market fit. It is a user-centered way to conceive and create successful products. Designers use this approach to solve complex problems and find optimal solutions. A design mindset is solution-focused and action-oriented. Design thinking draws upon logic, imagination, intuition, and systemic reasoning to explore and to create desired outcomes that benefit the end user, the customer. Design thinking is inquiry-based and open-ended. It forces you to put yourself in the customer's shoes. It is initially about generating empathy with the customer and their needs and wants. There are a number of variations, but the basic steps in the design thinking process are empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Like lean startup, design thinking is based on building a minimal viable product, a product with enough features to gather meaningful feedback in order to see what's working and double down on those features that really move the needle. Design thinking is a systematic innovation process for gaining deep customer understanding and deciding which features and which products to design and launch. In the world of startup incubation, design thinking is often compared and contrasted with the lean startup approach, which is more engineering-based and quantitative. The two methods are far from mutually exclusive, as both seek to effectively serve customers' needs through a systematic, low-risk path to innovating in the face of uncertainty. Here's a quote from Tim Brown. Tim Brown is one of the originators of design thinking. Tim is the CEO of IDEO, the great design firm. Design thinking can be described as a discipline that uses the designer's sensibility and methods to match people's needs with what is technologically feasible and what a viable business strategy can convert into customer value and market opportunity. Tim Brown, CEO of IDEO.